Oh, I know, it's another morning. You gotta wake up and do works. All right, let's get some breakfast. Cave dog breakfast time. Captain Deuce, you ready to do this thing or what? Still working on some walls. We're cutting these last couple of pieces. That's what I'm going to do today. Take some measurements, cut some pieces. You hard snoozing, napping in the van. A lot of hard work putting up them walls, ain't? All right, we got a corner going. That's not too shabby. Making something here. Just gotta keep working at it. Oh, there's our new light too, or new vent too. Finishing up, getting her dialed in. The black screws will come out once everything is dry. But it's starting to look like a proper setup. I bought a couple of light strips to try different setups to see which way I like the lights. So here's a couple of different examples for you guys. Another idea, variation. Then there's this one like this, which I seem to like. Really simple. We can do it with gray or wood or with white. And it just comes right up there to the edge. That's generally what I was thinking, aside from all the spiraling lights there. There we go. Give you a better idea. So turn off the background lights. And there's an example of it lit up double. So if we did like a wooden piece lit up like that, I think it'd look pretty cool. I know it's kind of hard to see. There we go. Let me know what you think, double or single light setup. And we have a nighttime shot of our test light. Yay, test lights.